Hello, we have another new launch today here at the Traffic Stop channel. It's queenofheartsmailer.com. This is a new launch of a site that had already been online, but they had a hacking a few weeks ago, and then they're finally getting back online. I've redeemed the voucher, and this is what it gave me: 2,500 email credits, 5,000 banner ad credits, 5,000 text ad credits, 2 solo email credits, and 2 login ad credits. Particularly like solo ads and login ads is what I really like. But also 2,500 email credits. Because email credits overall, you're going to be able to send to a lot of people. That 2,500 may not sound like a lot necessarily, but because it's a new site, you'll send it like maybe 30 the first time, 50 the first time, 60, 70. It'll start going up, and so you'll get actually what is basically the equivalent of a lot of solo ads with these 2,500 email credits. So, because it's a new site, these credits are worth a lot more. As a relaunch, I might wait a little bit for this to send the solo ads until they get a few more people. But for the email credits for a new site, I like to use them pretty quickly. Maybe once every other day or something like that. Once every other day might be better than every day. Because those same people, if you send every other day, they're gonna see the ad. The same people are gonna see the ad anyway. If you do it every other day on a new site, most of those people, you might miss a couple, but most of those people are gonna see the ad anyway at some point. So you don't have to send out every day on a new site, even though with this script, the default setting is you can send out once a day. But I do it about once every other day, or possibly even sometimes once every 3 days, to make the credits last a little bit longer. But they will last a while on a new site. A site like this is not going to explode to hundreds of members overnight. It's going to slowly move up, and it's hard to say how many members this one will get, but several hundred at least. Here's the voucher right here. I prefer the term promo code, but sometimes they will use the term voucher. QOH_relaunch. Just did it today. And once you do it, it shows what you got right here. But once I leave this page and refresh it, this will disappear. That's why I'm just showing you this right now. This is what you're going to get. Okay, because it's a brand new site, just released today, I believe. Now, he might have been testing it for a couple of days or something like that. If I went to send an email, okay, this is an ad he puts up. Let this ad show. As you can see, 51. So this guy has pre-existing lists, so he's coming. People are signing up fast, or maybe. I don't know if 51 actually just signed up today or not, but it might have been a couple of days. But this is definitely a new site. So go to send mail, and you can see also you don't even have to click any ads. Some sites will require you to click ads at this point. This one doesn't even require you to click ads. It says every 12 hours you can send out. don't do that. I don't think you need to do that. Like I said, once every 2 to 3 days for the new site. Okay, let's wrap this up quickly here. Mailer, send mail, that's where you're going to send your emails. Your other ads, you'll get some text ads, enter them here. You'll get some banner ads, enter them here. Login ads, enter your 2 login ads here. Solo emails right here. Send solo email. So you have a couple. You're supposed to have 2 credits, okay? It doesn't show it right here, but you're supposed to have 2 credits. So this is where you find the solo emails in the mailer, and then send mail email for your credits, which you start with 2,500. So that's about it. It's a new launch. This site will give you traffic for sure, no doubt about it. I use these kind of sites and I always get traffic with them. With rare exception, occasionally someone will open one of these sites and they don't know what they're doing and they don't really market at all, and so that it doesn't really take off. But even then, with a smaller site, I've made sales before. With a smaller site, I got a customer that ended up buying several $100s in upgrades on a different site. So even smaller sites can make you sales. That's why I'm joining new sites all the time. At least get your ads out there on that new site, because there's always somebody new that hadn't seen your ad on a new site. Alright, see you next time. Enjoy the free traffic. Stay tuned to the Traffic Stop channel, and I'll give you more free traffic coming up tomorrow or soon.